Hello, my lovely beauties. Welcome back to my channel, Beauty Secret by Samira. If you were struggling with acne breakouts that keep coming back or clogged pores that just aren't clear, stop scrolling. Because today I'm reviewing one of the most talked about dermatologist approved acne treatments, that is CeraVe Acne Control Gel. Does it actually work? Who should use it and who absolutely should not? Let's break down everything in detail so you don't waste your money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for honest skincare reviews every week. Firstly, I'm saying that product overview. This is CeraVe Acne Control Gel, a leave-on acne treatment designed to treat active acne, prevent new breakouts, keep your skin barrier healthy. It's developed with dermatologists and suitable for daily use when used correctly. Now I'm saying that the packaging, the gel comes in a simple white and blue squeeze tube, very hygienic and travel friendly, easy to control product amount, no jar equal no contamination, lightweight, minimal pharmacy style packaging, very on brand for CeraVe, no drama, just function. Key ingredients, let's talk about what makes this gel effective. Number one, 2% salicylic acid or BHA unclog pores, reduces acne and blackheads, helps control excess oil. Number two, glycolic and lactic acid (AHA), gently exfoliate, improve skin texture, fade acne marks over time. Number three, niacinamide, calms redness, reduce inflammation, supports skin barrier. Number four, ceramides, service signature, repair skin barrier, prevent dryness and irritation. This formula targets acne without destroying your skin barrier, which is rare. So now I'm saying the consistency and texture. The texture is lightweight gel, slightly milky clear, non-sticky, absorbs quickly. Perfect for oily and acne-prone skin, and it layers well under moisturizer and sunscreen. Smell and fragrance, good news, no fragrance and no strong chemical smell. Just a very mild, clean, medical grade scent that disappears in seconds. So now I'm saying that how to use this gel. To avoid irritation, use it correctly. Step by step. Number one, cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser. Number two, pat skin completely dry. Number three, apply a pea-sized amount to acne-prone areas. Number four, follow with a non-comedogenic moisturizer. Number five, use sunscreen in the morning. Mandatory. Frequency, beginners once a day at night. Experienced users up to 2 times daily if skin tolerance. Overuse equal dryness, peeling, and irritation. When will you see results? Week 1 to 2, possible purging normal. Week 3 to 4, fewer active breakouts. Week 6 to 8, clear pores, smoother skin texture. Consistency is key. So now I'm saying the positive side of this gel. Dermatologists recommended effective acne treatment contains ceramides, barrier friendly, fragrance free, lightweight, and non greasy, works for face and body acne. Negative side of this product is can cause dryness initially, not ideal for very sensitive skin. Purging face may discourage beginners, needs sunscreen discipline. So now I'm saying that who should use it? Oily skin, acne prone skin, teen and adult acne, whiteheads, blackheads, mild to moderate acne. Avoid if you have very sensitive skin, eczema or damaged skin barrier, allergy to salicylic acid. Now I'm saying to the price and value. The price is mid-range, but considering the ingredients and results, 100% worth the investment if acne is a real concern for you. So the final verdict is CeraVe Acne Control Gel is not a miracle overnight product, but if you are consistent and patient, it's one of the most reliable acne treatments in the drugstore skincare world. If this review helpful, like this video, subscribe for more honest skincare reviews, and comment below if you have tried CeraVe Acne Control Gel or plan to. See you in the next video. Until then, take care of your skin and bye.